Is this the wildest RC stunt car ever? Let's find out. Today we're checking out the 360-degree Stunt Drift RC Car, a double-sided, high-speed machine built for flips, spins, and non-stop action. Straight out of the box, it looks slick, bold design, bright colors, and those aggressive hollow tires built for tough terrain and awesome drift performance. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, with a USB charger included. You'll get up to 50 meters of remote control range, and the charge takes around 3 hours for full power. The car is 45 centimeters long, made of durable plastic and electronic components. Built tough for rough play, indoors or out, and perfect for pulling off extreme stunts. This beast moves in every direction, forward, backward, turns left and right, and even side shifts with left and right front-back movement. And thanks to its dual-side driving, flipping over doesn't stop the fun, it just keeps going. It's fast, responsive, and ready to pull off 360-degree spins, wild drifts, and crazy stunt rolls with ease. The bright LED lights make it stand out day or night. This thing looks like it's from the future. So if you're into flips, side rolls, and high-speed drifting, the 360-degree Stunt Drift RC Car is a total must-have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what RC car you want us to test next.